ready to reclaim your time and supercharge your lead management. Today, we're diving into Follow Up Boss and unlocking the secrets of automation to streamline your workflows and boost efficiency. First, let's look at how to use triggers. Navigate to the automation section in your Follow Up Boss settings. Triggers are the foundation of your automation. Why you're there, the if this, then that of the system. Click Add Trigger, and you can set parameters. For instance, if a lead comes in from Zillow, then automatically assign them to the ISA. You'll select your criteria and then assign an action plan or individual action. This moves us on to action plans, where the magic truly happens. Action plans consist of a series of automated steps. Start by naming your action plan, something descriptive like new lead follow-up. Now you can add steps. Perhaps the first step is an immediate automated email, followed by a text message a day later and a task to call the lead after 3 days. This will ensure you never miss a follow-up. Let's create an automated email sequence. Craft compelling email templates that resonate with your audience, and ensure you include personalization using merge fields like the lead's first name. Once your trigger, action plan, and emails are set up, it's time to connect them. Ensure the trigger activates the correct action plan. Follow Up Boss handles the rest automatically. Automation is your secret weapon to scaling your business, freeing up your time, and creating a better client experience.